Sanbonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magasiwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala amakhehla amakhulu amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Today, there's this message that is just here in my heart, so dear. And it's a message that God is just speaking to me right now. Can everyone out there be the light? Be God's light. And can the spirit of charity begin or restart? And when you talk about charity, I'm not saying Google a charity and then invest your time or money in that charity. God is saying to me, where I have placed you, whether it's family, whether it's work, whether it's community, whether usesontweni, whatever, la uNkulunkulu akubeke khona, can the spirit of charity restart? I guess siphakame spirit of charity because of, trust you me, the world goes round and round and round and round because of the people within it. I know people will normally say, cha, money makes the world go round. But God to me is like, people make the world go round. And you, Magaziwe, you are an advocate of that because of, Example would be a time where you hit rock bottom, a time where you lack something, and then you don't have money, but you have people. So those people that you have in your life become your money because of they will come and say, how can I help you? How can I do this? And when I look at my journey, it's people. People ababathunyelwe uNkulunkulu. People ababevele baba generous without jealousy. But when you look at the times today, how many people are willing to help us for free? Zero, zilch. You look for a job, you look for a job, they might ask you to sacrifice yourself, sleep with me or do something. You're looking for a job, there's always a transaction that needs to happen these days. So uNkulunkulu uyabuya kumina uthini, nxusabantu ubacele ukuthi ngithi, can they be my light? Iba isibani ngaphakathi kwendawo obekwa kuyona, whether it's you sharing advice, whether it's you spending your time there, whether it's you giving out your money, whether a kind of be the light without being greedy, without wanting anything in return, because of at the end of the day, we are literally killing each other. We are making our lives in this world unhealthy, unhappy, sad. Kuyabheda la emhlabeni. Siyathakathana siyaloyana because of jealousy, because of whatever. Kanti kube sonke we can just choose his light. Choose God's light because of helping me, helping yourself. Ukuyisiza wena, ungisiza mina, uyisiza wena. Simple as that. Ukungisiza mina, when uyazandisela kusasa. People who come to my channel and watch, they gain so much light and wisdom, and they do better, and they go forward. There are people who will text me and say, Maziwe, uthulile, asikuboni, kwenzakalani, are you good? And I'm grateful for those people because of those are my God sent, because of even when I'm dull, I'll remember that there is someone waiting to hear from me on the other side. So, ngiyanicela, ngiyanxusa, be the light. Some of the problems that we have in this world, God is saying to me, we need to change. We need to restart. Restart. Siqalele phansi and go back to Ubuntu. Go back to, if I help you, I've helped myself, I've helped the community. Abo lines of it takes a village to raise a child. But more to your bega kunzima la ngaphandle. You catch a taxi, ushode ngemali, taxi driver afuna nokukuhlepula ikhanda, afuna nje ukukuhlafuna ukuhlafuna. But you meet other taxi drivers ushoda avele nje athi hayi gibela mfethu ayikho inkinga. So can we all try and be a light to others? The people that you come across, be a light. I know kunzima kodwa khuleka ucele nje uNkulunkulu ukuthi akube uyena okuholayo kuko konke, uthi uma uphumile endaweni, and just be that light. Be the light in everything. Mina, I appreciate people who are this light of God in my life. Nami, I continue to become a light because of, at the end of the day, I want people to be their best versions, for them to reach their higher selves in life. Not everyone wants that. Other people feel insecure by others coming up. Kanti no, you don't have to, because of those people, for them to even reach their higher selves. You were part of the process. You were part of the people that made it happen, which this person reaches their higher self. So from God to you, be the light. We need each other. Akube nobumbano, nozwana, nothando ngaphansi kwamakhaya wethu.